Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame, so another gap down open, second time in 4 days, and the bulls bought that gap down open, and it really occurred at the same level. The low was 119.37, 119.50, so a little bit different, a higher low. But what it shows us is the bulls are still in control. Now, certainly the bulls are a bit frustrated with SPY seeing such a big day, the S&P 500, new all-time highs, and Apple not participating really at all, just stuck right on 120 psychological, that level, pretty much trading straight across today. But they're still in control on the daily time frame, and the uptrend over the past 2 months, bulls can't complain about it. So support, we're looking at 119.37, 118.21, and the middle Bollinger Band support is now above that 118.21, so that's going to do a good job of helping the bulls maintain control as well. We are forming a potential bearish reversal doji on the weekly time frame. If it forms this way, we will be looking for consolidation, and if we break this higher low pattern on the daily and lose the middle Bollinger Band daily support, we will also be looking for consolidation on those signals. But as of right now, the correlation I've been noticing with the other FANG stocks, and right now it's Facebook, Amazon, and Google, leaving out Netflix because it's trading differently with its reaction to earnings. But the other three, noticing a fairly inverse correlation the past week or so compared to those names. When those names do well, Apple stalls out and doesn't do much. And when those names were down, Apple bulls did show up. So definitely going to keep an eye on that correlation. But as of right now, looks like we're pinned to 120. Let's look at the hourly time frame, and we can see that just straight across trading. But like I said, it favors the bulls because we have all moving averages as support on the hourly currently. And we're just trading straight across. The range in the final 6 hours of trading today, we were looking at 119.87 as support, and resistance was up at 120.10. So a 23-cent range over hours and hours. And looking at that on the 5-minute time frame. And again, I keep highlighting how the trend now, where we have the high of the day set in the first 15 minutes. This now makes, I believe, 4 of the last 5 days. And you can see the trading opportunity is completely gone after the first 15 minutes. You can look at the 5-minute chart. I did this in the video I did yesterday, but yesterday was a perfect example. High of the day in 15 minutes. There was some bearish opportunity after that, but the high of the day is being set in the first 5 to 15 minutes on Apple, 4 out of the last 5 days. So that's a pattern definitely worth noting and keeping an eye on. And today, doing the same thing, but it didn't really give us any opportunity in either direction, as I have not seen Apple trade that flat ever. But what that does give us is a clear channel to be watching tomorrow. We will see a very clear bull break or a very clear bear break, which will give us short-term direction on where to be looking for a day trade opportunity. So I appreciate you watching. We'll keep a close eye on Apple. It is still maintaining higher lows on the daily. Battle for 120 psychological resistance. We'll check back in tomorrow, and I will see you then.